Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're focusing on improving flexibility with 10 effective stretches that you can do anytime, anywhere. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to enhance mobility, this routine is perfect for you. Grab a mat, take a deep breath, and let's stretch it out together. 1. Forward fold. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and arms relaxed by your sides. Inhale deeply, then exhale as you hinge forward from your hips, not your lower back. Allow your upper body to hang toward the ground. Keep your knees slightly bent if your hamstrings feel tight, or straighten them for a deeper stretch. Let your hands rest on the floor, ankles, or shins, wherever feels comfortable. Relax your neck and shoulders, letting your head hang freely. 2. Butterfly stretch. Sit on the floor with your back straight and legs extended out in front of you. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward, creating a diamond shape with your legs. Grasp your feet with your hands and pull them gently toward your body to deepen the stretch. Allow your knees to naturally move closer to the floor, but avoid forcing them down. Sit tall, keeping your spine straight, and relax into the stretch. 3. Cat-cow stretch. Place your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Keep your neck neutral, looking at the floor. Inhale deeply as you arch your back. Drop your belly toward the floor while lifting your chest and tailbone upward. Gaze slightly upward or forward without straining your neck. Exhale as you round your back. Tuck your chin towards your chest and pull your belly button upward, creating a rounded spine. Press firmly through your hands and knees for a deeper stretch. Repeat this sequence, flowing smoothly between cat and cow, for 5 to 8 breaths or more. 4. Lunge with spinal twist. Your right knee should be directly above your right ankle. Keep your left leg extended straight back with the ball of your left foot on the ground. Place your left hand on the floor directly under your shoulder for support. Inhale, and as you exhale, twist your torso to the right. Extend your right arm upward, reaching toward the ceiling. Gaze up at your extended hand or keep your neck in a neutral position if that feels better. Hold the twist for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Return your right hand to the floor and step back to the starting position. Repeat on the other side with your left leg forward. 5. Standing side stretch. Stand tall with your feet together or hip-width apart for better balance. Inhale and reach both arms overhead, interlacing your fingers or pressing your palms together. Exhale as you gently lean your upper body to one side, keeping your core engaged and your hips squared forward. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply, and feel the elongation along your side body. Inhale to return to the center, then repeat on the opposite side. 6. A child's pose. Start on all fours in a tabletop position with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Bring your big toes together and spread your knees wide apart. Sit your hips back toward your heels. If your hips don't reach your heels, that's okay. Go as far as your body allows. Extend your arms forward with your palms facing down, or let your arms rest by your sides with palms up for a more relaxed variation. Lower your forehead to the mat and relax your neck. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your body to relax. 7. Pigeon pose. Begin in a tabletop position or downward-facing dog. Bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Your right shin should angle diagonally, with your foot near your left hip. Extend your left leg straight back, keeping your hips square and your back leg aligned with your torso. Lower your torso toward the mat, resting on your forearms or extending your arms forward with your forehead on the ground. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch. Return to the starting position and switch sides. 8. Cobra stretch. Start by lying face down on the floor with your legs extended and the tops of your feet pressed into the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, elbows close to your body, and fingertips pointing forward. Inhale as you press through your hands and gently lift your chest off the ground. Keep your elbows slightly bent and engage your back muscles to help lift. Roll your shoulders back and down, opening the chest and lengthening the spine. If comfortable, deepen the stretch by straightening your arms and lifting your chest higher. Hold the position for 15 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply, then slowly lower back down to the floor. Repeat the stretch 2 to 3 times, if desired. 9. Shoulder stretch. Stand or sit up tall with a straight posture. Extend your right arm straight across your body at shoulder height. Use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer toward your chest, aiming to feel a stretch in the shoulder and the upper back. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid shrugging them toward your ears. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply. Release and repeat on the opposite side. 10. Side lying quad stretch. Lie on your side with your body aligned, legs extended straight, and your head resting on your lower arm. Bend your top knee, bringing your heel toward your glutes. With your top hand, grab your ankle or foot and gently pull it toward your glutes. Keep your hips stacked and avoid letting your top hip roll backward. If you want a deeper stretch, press your hips forward slightly, feeling the stretch along the front of your thigh. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Return to the starting position, then repeat on the other side. Great job, everyone! Remember, consistency is key to improving flexibility, so keep incorporating these stretches into your routine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments which stretch was your favorite or what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.